Hi guys, it's Janelle with Uptown Gal here to show you how to style your mini dress. The mini wrap dress can be styled the same way in all of the prints, so stay tuned. So today I'm going to be using the Desert Storm Mini, and we're going to start at the base, which is essentially just around your waist. So we'll start with the wrap skirt first, and I just like to tie it around, cinch the waist on one side and then on the other, and then literally you can use the straps and wrap them around you as many times as you want. Really, this would be like based on your waist. I usually wrap this one around me about 2 or 3 times. So this is the first look. And I love this because it has this dramatic, the dramatic panels at the front. Next, we're gonna use this to style it as the standard wrap dress. So again, I would start at my base, wrap it around, secure it on one side, then secure it on the next, wrap it around once, and then I would take my 2 panels, the left side over your left boob, the right side over your right, just so you can see. And then I would tie it at the back. I just took off the bra so you can kind of see it without the extra baggage. And I love this because it has this dramatic back, something that a lot of the wrap dresses these days just do not have. For the next look, I would keep the base of this, take the straps at the back, and literally tie them to the front, and then tie them back. So you have another dress that you can wear. And if you do not like the straps hanging, you can also take the straps and tuck them into the dress. To style it as a 2-piece dress, you literally, again, start at your base, wrap it around once, secure it on your waist, wrap it around. Again, you can wrap it around once or twice. Because of my waist size, I wrap this around 2 times when I'm doing this look. 1 time is also fine. But again, you have your panels. You put the left over your right, and then the right panel over your left. Again, creating this sweetheart shape. And then you just tie it at the back. And again, I double tie just to keep things secure. So this is it as a two-piece. Same energy in the back. And if you wanted to make this full coverage now, again, it's very simple. I would just take these panels, bring them down, bring the lower ones up, and, you know, can cinch your waist even more. Now to style this as a top, again, I would start at my base, but instead of it being at your waist, it would be around your bra strap area. Crisscross it once at the front, and then bring it up over your neck. Okay, I took off my bra so you can see. I can just take these panels, just fold them in. And personally, I like to tuck the outside parts inside my jeans to give it a clean look. So I would take the back, crisscross the back, and then take these two panels and then wrap it around my waist. So if you love this look, you can keep the panels on the front. You can also decide to take the panels and hide them. It's really up to you and your personal style. But it's easy to hide them. So it's giving more of a cohesive vibe. I'll show you the back. And if you want this as a goddess top, you would just take one side over your shoulders, wrap it around so that this is out and this is out. So wrap it around, take the panel at the back, crisscross them, and then just wrap them multiple ways. Again, you can decide to keep the bottom inside. I personally like to tuck them into my jeans. Cleaner look. And again, you can take these panels and tuck them in even more. So it's just a cleaner vibe. Thank you guys again for watching our styling video. If you have any styling questions, leave comments, hit us up on Instagram or Facebook, DM us. We'll always answer any of your questions. Outside of that, make sure you tag us and show us your Uptown Gal style. We'll see you at the next one.